is there are certain 3-4 issues which I want to clarify to the people of my constituents and the people of Goa, state of Goa. In fact, the other day there was on Herald papers there was a review which had come regarding proposed coal jetty in Aldona raises heckles in Herald paper on Sunday. And to my utter surprise, I was quite taken aback that it was mentioned that it was clearly mentioned that this sort of plan which was shown here, that this is a plan which is notified in Aldona constituency. But of course, after investigation, I realized that this plan which is mentioned here is the plan of Thimi constituency, and it appeared to be part of Aldona, but the full write-up has come off regarding Aldona, regarding the jetty, the transportation jetty. But at the same time, I have a notified plan here. Which clearly is a notified plan. I will just show you the index part of it. If you compare this plan of Aldona constituency, notified plan, it's all signed here. You are notified, you check the index. If you check the index of the Aldona constituency plan, and if you check the index of this particular plan, it's completely different. Why is different? Because here is mentioned about transportation jetty, but here there is no any transportation jetty in transportation jetty in Aldona constituency plan, which is a notified plan. But after passenger jetty, it shows fort. Again here there is no fort. So this sort of clarity which has come in this paper is absolutely baseless, and the people of my constituency, all in a confused state of mind. That's the reason my humbly advice to the few section of media, whenever they get any information, it is important that proper scrutiny, thorough scrutiny has to be first taken and then published, or at least consult me. Of course, I was consulted by the Herald, and I made a mention that I would not allow any jetty whatsoever. But said and again, as far as this jetty, sometime by going to hours in Mapsa taxi stand, had made an issue, business issue against me, that I am encouraging, I am aware of it. At the same time, I am trying to pretend that the jetty is coming there, that the coal jetty is coming there, and I am trying to pretend that I am not aware of anything. This allegation made on me again. In fact, this particular jetty in Aldona, there are 4 jetties in Aldona. Time and again, I am making a mention, there are 4 jetties. One is Aldona jetty, Kalvi jetty, Pombafla jetty, and Ekoshin jetty. And a lot of people have been telling me, sir, please repair the jetty. And I brought this in the house time and again, where I requested them to repair the jetties, because the way, because first and foremost, there is so much of congestion on the highways. The bridge has been coming up, we all know, we are aware of it. And secondly, to improve interland tourism, and since we have a beautiful picturesque view of Aldona, so people could ferry passengers up and down. So this proposal was put under Sagarmala by the captain of ports, but not with the intention of having a coal jetty. Now coal jetty appears to be in Sirsang, in Thimi constituency. Fair enough, that doesn't mean it's going, the river is the same. But am I going to allow it to happen when my people don't want it? I am myself personally totally opposing tooth and nail. I am opposing tooth and nail because I know the disasters, what will happen if the coal transportation takes place from my constituency. In one of the jetties, it will be a total disaster, and if my people don't want it, it will never ever happen. In Margaon, they had a meeting some time back. There too allegations were made on me that I am trying to convert some land in Sukkur from agriculture to settlement. Again, there was a total false information. Given I got, although I was very well and sure it was never an agricultural land. Of course, all as a citizen, I might be an MLA, as a citizen, everyone has the right to put a proposal. But here it was never an agricultural land. No land was converted. It was part settlement, was part NDZ, and part orchard land. I got all the right to information. Even I got all the right to information. which had asked through the TCP. But there too, they already made allegations. There was a big meeting there where they pinpointed this particular MLA, Glen Ticlo, has converted agricultural land into settlement. There was no agricultural land at all. It was part settlement, part NDZ, part orchard. And till today, the land is not converted. So this type of false allegations have been made with some vested interest. I don't know who's behind this. What is the purpose they're going to get by doing this? Because the people of my constituency and the state of Goa, people from Goa know how Glen Ticlo has been performing for the last, from 2012, in my second term. And Aldona and another village, 4 villages, they said all you get damaged houses. There will never, I'll never allow trucks or whatever to move to Aldona constituency. Now they might move from other constituencies. That is not my look. My lookout is my constituency.